What is Luview system? A Luview camera shows you an image of the area directly behind your vehicle to help you park and avoid vehicles and objects. The camera is installed at the rear of the vehicle and displays the images on a monitor. Luview provides a wide product range of HD CVBS coverage system. For different kinds of vehicles, we have different cameras, such as brake light cameras for van, explosion-proof camera for oil truck, supporting up to 1080 pixel or 700 TV line resolution. For the monitors, we have different size of monitor: 7-inch, 5-inch, 10-inch, 4.3-inch, waterproof or not waterproof, wireless or wired. For more information, please visit our website www.Luview.com.